Top 5 ESP-32 projects to experiment with. ESP-Drone is an open-source solution that harnesses the power of Espressif's Wi-Fi chips. This drone is effortlessly maneuvered through either a mobile app or a gamepad, all facilitated by a Wi-Fi connection. Rooted in the Crazyflie open-source project and adhering to the GPL 3.0 protocol, ESP-Drone brings flexibility and transparency to its development. In this project, we're combining the OpenAI API with an ESP box to develop a voice-driven chatbot. The ESP box, powered by an ESP32 S3 microcontroller, serves as the core of this system. The objective is to facilitate user interaction with the chatbot through spoken language. The workflow encompasses capturing user audio input, transmitting it to the OpenAI API for analysis, and receiving a response. This response is subsequently converted into speech and played back to the user, completing the voice-based interaction. The next project is of building a Wi-Fi radar. Through this project, we can detect human movement and the presence of individuals in a room, aiding in promptly understanding the potential applications of Wi-Fi CSI in specific scenarios. It offers a quick comprehension of Wi-Fi CSI by displaying real-time data, including Wi-Fi RF noise, bottom, CSI, RSSI, and RF noise floor. The display enables swift insights into the influence of distinct antennas, human mobility, and equipment placement on Wi-Fi signals. The next project involves using the LVGL graphics library to craft a user interface for a music player with touchscreen control capabilities. This interface not only enhances user experience, but also allows for the creation of a personalized playlist. The process is straightforward. Simply load your preferred songs onto a memory card, and you're ready to enjoy a customized music experience. The integration of LVGL and touchscreen controls makes navigation and playlist management intuitive, offering a seamless and engaging music playback interface. The next project is that of a surveillance robot. A surveillance robot is a specialized robotic device created for surveillance and monitoring in diverse environments. When powered by the potent capabilities of ESP, the surveillance robot becomes exceptionally efficient and valuable. Noteworthy features encompass face detection, object detection, and color detection. This integration with ESP elevates its performance, enhancing its ability to carry out intelligent and precise surveillance tasks. Thank you so much for joining us today as we delved into these exciting projects. If you're hungry for even more in-depth explanations, step-by-step guides, and behind-the-scenes insights, don't forget to stay tuned to our channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Your support fuels our passion for sharing knowledge and innovation. Until next time, stay curious, stay connected, and keep on hacking. See you in the next video.